Hey guys, TechRax here. So I have my drilled iPhone 5 right here, still fully functional. Let's go ahead and stick it in the microwave. I have a brand new microwave right here. It's a pretty cheap one because I know it's probably going to break down after I do this video, but let's get started anyway, so let's put it in there. Alright, nice and set. Should have the camera on. Probably will never get this footage, but I'll have the camera on. Alright, so recording. Alright, close it, cook time. Let's go ahead and give it 5 minutes. Right there. Start. Oh crap. Alright, so let's see what happens. Do not try this at home, by the way. This is pretty much going to blow up this microwave. Oh, that's already on. Should I get the hose? I should probably get the hose. Oh man, my hose won't reach this far. I might actually do like a minute of this because I'm actually too worried that this could be more dangerous than the drill. Alright, so if you guys want to skip to the end, you guys can feel free to skip in this video, or you can just keep watching and see what happens, which is far more entertaining, I think. And there's this really strong smell of aluminum. Alright, what's going on in there? I can't see. I see some sparks. It's been a minute and 10. Really bad smoke. I'm going to shut it off. Should I shut it off? Alright, it's starting to smoke up. Whoa. That's crazy. Wow. I don't know if I should keep doing this. Let's give it. Actually, let's go ahead and see if it's actually working. Get my scissors right here. Super hot. What happened? That's crazy. Oh my god. Look at the home button. It's like Jello. It's Jello. Jello home button. If I eat it. That's kind of retarded. Why am I saying that? So is it gonna work? Let's see. Oh, God, what? Freaking stung me. I'm not touching this. Alright. I feel like this is gonna blow up on me. Yeah, didn't work. I killed the battery. Let's flip it. Oh, the back's pretty good. Nothing bad with the back at all. Not a scratch, really. One of the biggest things is the home button. That's just like melted. And then the screen is just... By the way, it's just super hot. I think I just burned my finger right now. Yep, it's bleeding. Alright, just a second, guys. So I decided I'm going to give it about 30 more seconds and see what happens. Let's just get started. Cook time. Alright, so 30 seconds. I just hope this actually doesn't set on fire, because I've seen one other video on YouTube where I think some guy did it with his 3GS and it actually set on fire, so. And my finger is still stinging, whatever. It seems like no smoke. Yeah, it's probably dead. That's it, 30 seconds. Alright, so... Oh. Look at that. Look at the screen. It's like raising up. guys, so that is pretty much it for the microwave test. As always, stay tuned for more videos and subscribe because you won't want to miss these videos out. Thanks for watching, guys.